Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. First specs of Canon EOS R6 Mark II have been leaked on the web. It looks like the EOS R6 replacement could be announced sooner than we think. According to recent Canon rumors, the EOS R6 Mark II will feature 24-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with IBIS and 12 frames per second mechanical shutter speed. The camera will be able to record 4K videos at 30p without crop. There is some uncertainty when it comes to the EOS R6 Mark II sensor. It is not clear if the image sensor in the below R6 Mark II specifications is a version of the sensor in the Canon EOS R3. This also means that the full-frame mirrorless camera could come with a stacked sensor found on the Canon EOS R3. Rumored Canon EOS R6 Mark II specifications: 24-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, in-body stabilization, 12 frames per second with mechanical shutter, 4K 30p, no crop, 4K 60p, cropped. The EOS R6 is a 1.1x crop, Canon log 3/HDR PQ, dual-pixel CMOS AF, SD/SDHC dual card slot. Not much change in the form factor over the original EOS R6. Canon EOS R5 and the EOS R6 are selling really well. At this stage, it should come as no surprise that after the launch of the EOS R3, Canon will focus on the lower end of the RF mount lineup. What do you think about this news? Do comment below. See you soon.